Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So on today's video, I'm going to have some fun with this Master Lock 350 and this Master Lock 570. We're going to see how quick we can crack into them. This one is just loaded with spools. This one's dead core, and I don't know if I took that one apart or not. Alright, well, I got a 40,000 bottom of the keyway out, but I got a feeling... Let's do top of the keyway, and I'll do this little ergo bender, that ergo thing that I made. Let's see if we can crack into this guy. What do you say? Oh yeah, by the way, 570s are dead cores. I think I need to put more of a bend in my ergo turner here that I made. Hey, there we go. All right, on to this guy. Ooh, that one might be a little snug. All right, let's see if we can get this guy now. Well, I felt one pin go. Do I need a deeper hook? What if we switch up to bottom of the keyway and a skinny profile? So much for making this fast. There's the false set. And I lost it. All right. Oh, there we go. Like I said, that one's loaded up with spools. Can take that one apart. I don't know. Yeah, you can't take the 570s apart. You have to tap them on the side. But I'm not going to do that. All in all, I think the Master Lock, what is this, 350? The M350 is way better, way more fun of a lock to pick than the actual 570. So anyways, with that being said, that's all I got for you guys tonight. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.